Ikura Nkai In Kaki Kaki Ukuchuwa Kaki Uchuwa Kaki Uchuwa Ika Yaku Yaku Dekoboko Komohakachiki Kuku what? Chingomenga Kisa Kisa Kopo Kopo. Oh Jesus, it's not happening. Oh hey guys, it's me. I'm in my room, I'm learning Japanese. Let's go do some pay dirt, something I do know. And hello everyone, I'm in the garage, so you know what that means. It means we're going to do a pay dirt review. I'm going to do one that was gifted to me or sent to me by a person. I got this from someone who wanted me to do their pay dirt. I don't know if this will be a quick pay dirt review or not, but it's a really cool looking pay dirt. And it is from Big M Prospecting. And there is the package. Is that not cool? The little bucket, little tiny bucket. It's written really small, so I'm really going to have to do a lot of focusing here. So this is Big M Prospecting Little Bucket Pay Dirt. And it says, what's in each bucket pay dirt? Oh God, and it goes even smaller. Look how small that's written. Take a picture of it and I'll blow it up. That's what old people do. Picture. Now I can put that down and read it. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, I can read it now. What's in each bucket pay dirt? Guaranteed 1/4 gram of gold. In what? Oh, hell, I'm going to have to take another picture. It says guaranteed 1/4 grams of gold in, it looks like DRA drain vial. I don't know. 16 ounces of unsearched pay dirt. Classified to -40 mesh, Weaver Mining District, Arizona. Okay. Concentrates from a Keen dry wash, natural black sands and magnetite, organic material, possible fine gold. Okay. Jesus. That's what's written on this bucket. Here, let's see how good this new camera is. Can you read that? You can pause, zoom in, do whatever. It is very small. But the bucket is really cool. And then on the other side, it says to reorder, email us, and it gives the email, and I'll give you that later. There it is. Anyway, all right, so that's what we're going to do. It should be pretty quick because it's not a whole lot of pay dirt. So let me get a bowl, and then we'll start the process. And here's the bowl. Now, I was trying to figure out if this was like a screw top or whatever. It's not. I thought maybe this whole piece right here came off. You know how you can usually turn these and it unscrews? That's not what this does. The top is a cap, and it's on there. It's on there really good. There it goes. And it's off. And oh, we got something in here. What is this? In the dirt. Oh, it's a sticker. Big M Prospecting. It's an odd place to put a sticker. The sticker caught dirt. You can get it in the light, see if I see anything shiny. Well, hopefully there's no gold on the sticker. But there's the sticker. I'll stick that over there for now. Let's pour this. Very fine sands. Now, this is weird because there's something in here as well. I don't know if that's dirt that got caught in there, because on the description it sounded like it said there was 1/4 gram of gold in vial. So is there gold in here? If it is, why? Why would you put the gold in the vial and then the pay dirt? Am I supposed to dump it in, mix it up, and then pull it back out? Here's the vial. Yeah, there's yellow in there.
The gold's in here.
And it also said there could be gold in here as well. But, I mean, this stuff is super fine. It said everything down -40. I guarantee you, if I use a 40 mesh classifier, it's just going to go right through it. So here's my 40 mesh. Where's my bucket? What'd y'all do with my bucket? I found it. Never mind. Yeah, this is very strange. I did have a pay dirt similar to this one time, where they had stuck the gold in a vial and then just threw dirt in the box, and it was fake gold. Not saying this will be fake gold, but the other one was, and it was an eBay one I did about a year ago. So I'm going to shake this up. This is my 40 mesh screen. Yeah. It all went through. So I'm not even going to classify this. We're just going to pan the whole damn thing. So I'm gonna put it back in the bowl. This is gonna be a quick pay dirt. I'm gonna get my magnet out. This should be fun. Oh yeah, jeez Louise. There's gonna be a lot of magnetics in here, so watch this. Look at that. This is gonna take a while. Do y'all want to sit here and watch me do this for the next, what, 45 minutes to an hour? I do my magnetics a little different. I don't pan my magnetics. I don't like to pan it because I keep my magnetics and I put it in my magnetic bucket. But what I do is make sure there's no gold in with it. So I'm just going to keep doing this. And then once I get it cleaned up and separated really good, I will reveal it. I'll be back in a minute. So I think I'm done with that. There is all the non-magnetic. There's all the magnetic. So not as much as I thought there'd be, but there's still quite a bit. So the way that I do my magnetics is I pull them out with a magnet over and over and over again. Because it traps a lot of dust and a lot of dirt when you pull it the first time. But then when I get all of the magnetics out, I'll just do it over and over and over again. So I'm going through this one more time. All right, that's enough. I'm not going to do that anymore. Magnetics, I do not pan out. I throw it in my magnetic bowl. So we're going to pan this, and we're just going to see if there's anything in it. And then we're going to pull that vial out and see how much gold is in that. There we go. Now it's straight. Is that straight for you guys? I'm still trying to figure this thing out. Hi. So I'm just going to dump a lot at a time, and then I'll just stratify the living crap out of it, and then I'll pan it. That's from a previous pay dirt. I'm not going to go get new water for this. I can already tell you, I don't like the fact that they're putting their gold in a separate vial, and this is just dirt. Literally, the whole point of pay dirt is panning the gold out. I'm hoping there's more gold in here as well. So let's just start panning it and see what happens here. Alright, let's tap this back. Oh, I think there's some gold in here. Very fine, very small. So let me get a phone shot of that, and then we'll move on to the next batch of that. Okie dokie, pan number 2. I've already stratified, so we're just gonna pan.
Lord, we couldn't close our eyes. It was a hard summer night. Lord, we couldn't close our eyes.
I think that is about all I'm going to be able to pan out. I think we got some more gold. There they are, 2 very small flakes. I will not do a phone shot. I'm just going to suck them up right in front of you, and then we'll finish it off.
Last night, no. Willie used to hang out in the hood, and some of them were up to no good. They told him if he did this job tonight,
Alright, I think that is the best I'm going to be able to get it.
he'd be a man.
And
His only sin was trying to be
there we go. There is the last bit. There's 4 tiny flakes, but I also see some flour gold. Unfortunately, this water is so murky, I can barely see it. So I'm going to throw some clean water in. Then I'll get a phone shot of it, and then we will go to the vial stuff.
Willie was a good boy. He was a constant source of joy.
Okay, so here is this vial, V-I-A-L, vial. I'm going to open it up, and it's got dirt in it. So I'm going to dump everything that's in this vial into the pan. So I'm not even going to dump it in there. I'm just going to pan it. Oh, shit. And then I'll pan the dirt back. But that's how much dirt was in there as well. That's a lot of dirt. There's all your gold. I'll get a phone shot of it, and we're done. That was quick. I'm going to clean up the gold, dry it, take it upstairs. We'll look at it again. We'll get not an ROI because I didn't pay for it, but we'll get a weight, see what the value is, and it's about all I can do. See you guys upstairs. We're in the room. Got the stuff dried. Let's look at it real fast, then we'll weigh it, and we'll get a value, but we're not going to do an ROI because, again, didn't pay for it. There's the bucket right there. It really is a cool packaging for pay dirt. All right, let's weigh it, and then we'll get a value and all that good stuff. We'll get my tray on. We will zero that out. We are on grams, and here comes the gold. And we did get 0.263, which is over a quarter of a gram. Now I gotta adjust this, get it back on here. Now I'm higher than I should be. See, I had to put it on my other thing, so now I gotta, there we are. Whoa. There we are. So we got that 0.263. We'll get on the gold calculator. We'll get a value, and then we will close this bad boy out. Welcome to the gold calculator. 0.263 is what we got. We will call it 24 karat natural placer gold. Gold prices. It has been a while since I've been on the gold calculator. It's been like 3 weeks. $4,831.70 is today's prices. Today is April 18th, 2026. Calculate $40.86. Oh, that pop up. $40.86.
Gold.
Goldida.
Gold.
Goldida.
Gold.
Goldida.
Gold.
Goldida. That's gold in Japanese. So we've got $40 worth of goldida. As far as this pay dirt's concerned, this is a great idea. Love the bucket. I don't know what the cost would be for him to buy all these little bitty buckets to sell. It holds right around a pound of pay dirt. The negatives are, if you're going to do a pay dirt, just dump the gold in the pay dirt. 40 mesh and under, you're basically just giving them sand. And if you do have, like say a guaranteed gram, then if you classify it, all your gold's going to stay in the screen and everything else is going to fall through. The plus side of it was I still found gold in the dirt. The whole point of pay dirt is panning it out and getting the gold through that. If you put it in a vial, then you might as well just buy the gold and not even worry about the pay dirt. Thank you, George, for sending me this. But if you want to get some pay dirt, because it is really hard to find pay dirt. He does not have a website. He just has an email. And it says to reorder, email us at nye1232@gmail.com. So if you're interested in buying this cute little bucket, I don't know how much it costs. I did not get a pricing for this. He just sent me an email and asked me if he could send me some. I said absolutely. He sent it. So again, thank you, George, for sending that. I will end this and say thank you guys for watching this video, this review of Big M Prospecting, his bucket quarter gram guarantee. Again, if you're interested, you can go to that nye1232@gmail.com. Thank you guys for watching. As always, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, as well as the like button, the share button, the notification bell. Helps my channel, and I always appreciate you guys for watching, subscribing, liking, and sharing. So thank you for that. Peace and love. Bye. Sayonara.